All ready, stand by. Okay. The mag. We'll go 1, transition 1. Two of the body, 1 of the head. Or three of the body, 2 of the head. Okay. I don't know how many rounds I still got in here. So. Let's try another again. Shooter ready? Stand by. Still not a counter enough. Alright, let's go 2 of the head. Or 1 of the body, 2 of the head. Yes, sir, here we go. Better. Ready? Do it. Like that. Hey, buck. Steel across the pond. Alright, that's what it's gonna be. You know, just strolling through the woods. Oh, shit, right across the pond. Guys, that can't say it enough. This Liberty fighting trigger is so goated. Right here, let me show you. I'm gonna point in a safe direction. I'm not gonna hit steel. Look at this. Nice. It's fast when you want it to be. But it almost runs like a precision trigger. Bottom of the pond. Hold it. Across the pond. Ooh, got on the first shot across the pond. Change of hands. First shot. Yeah, on the first shot. Low. Low. Come on. Come on, you got it. You got it, Rod. Yes, sir. Come on, Rod. Okay. Go ahead and film some stuff for Instagram, and I'm gonna get on out here, guys. For those of you tuned in, thank you.